who I found back here. It's Gracey and Anza, the puppy. They're playing out here. Gracey's like a grandma dog, and Anza's a baby puppy who's growing up. And I was wondering, where's Anza? And where's Gracey? And of course, here they are playing. I can't allow them to play for too much longer. Not because of the puppy, but because of Gracey. She'll start limping a bit, but she's having so much fun. Get them closer. Closer shot. They've already been out here for a while. Oh, she set a boundary. There we go. See, Anza's submitting a lot, which is good, because Gracey's teaching her. Gracey's the only dog that'll really tolerate quite a bit of, look, she's running. She's running around, running around, running around. Yeah, it looks like Gracey's tired. They've been out here for quite a bit. Oh, she better not teach her how to dig. Oh, did they see me? Maybe. Yeah, she's getting tired. Oh! We're starting to dig right there. Oh, there she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Oh, oh boy. Yeah, I think, oh, she's over here. That's Gracey. Yeah, we'll see if we can get them in. Come on in. Come on in. I think that's enough. Let me go get him.